Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Disney Plus app won't let me log in. First of all, verify your login credentials, email address, ensure you're using the correct email associated with your Disney Plus account. Password, double check your password for accuracy. If you've forgotten it, reset it by selecting Forgot Password on the login screen. A 6-digit passcode will be sent to your registered email address. Then try to restart your device, power cycle, turn off your device completely, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. This can help refresh the system and resolve minor glitches. And then clear app cache or reinstall the app. Clear cache on mobile devices. Go to your device settings, find the Disney Plus app and clear its cache and data. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted data. Reinstall the app, uninstall the Disney Plus app and then reinstall it from your device's app store. This ensures you have the latest version and can fix any installation related issues. Then check out for service outages, official channels, visit Disney Plus official support page or their social media accounts to check for any ongoing service outages or maintenance that might be affecting login functionality. Then use the activation code method. Open Disney Plus on your TV. Launch the Disney Plus app on your smart TV. Know the code. An 8-digit activation code will appear on your TV screen. Visit the activation website on your computer or mobile device. Go to disneyplus.com/begin. Enter the code. Log in with your Disney Plus credentials and enter the activation code displayed on your TV. Finally, update device software and contact Disney Plus support.